EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. It is AWS Infrastructure as a Service (IaaS) offering. It allows you to rent virtual machines called EC2 instances on demand. EC2 is fundamental to understanding cloud computing. EC2 is composed of multiple components like EC2 instances, which are nothing but virtual machines, VMs, rented from AWS. EBS, Elastic Block Store, which acts like virtual drives for storing data. Elastic Load Balancer, ELB, which distributes traffic across instances. Auto Scaling Group, ASG, which automatically scales instances based on demand. Security groups, which act as firewalls to control inbound and outbound traffic. When launching an EC2 instance, you can customize many things: operating system, vCPU count, RAM, storage type, networking, security groups, and user data. There are also different EC2 instance types, depending on what your application needs. And here's something really useful for beginners: you get 750 hours per month free of the T2.micro instance, which equals 1 full month of continuous usage. It is great for practice and small workloads. Thanks for watching.